Hello, my dear friends. So today we are going to talk about the main basic shape circle. So let's start the video and do subscribe the channel and watch the full video because this is going to be a very informative video. So stay tuned and let's start the video. So today we are going to draw some circle, and by using circle how we can create so many objects very easily. This is our today's video subject. So let's start with the circle. So here I am going to make a circle like this. Do not use eraser. I am requesting everyone, please do not use eraser. If you are a beginner or professional or academic, but please, this is my suggestion, do not use eraser, because eraser, if you use eraser, it will lose you can't grow like a pro. So if you are doing any wrong, any mistake, just do it once again, but do not do rectification with eraser. Okay, so this is a circle, this is another circle, this is another circle, this is another circle, this is another circle. So there are three type of circles are there. So like if I am going to draw a flower, so in the center I am going to make another circle. So here I am going to add the petals. One petal, two petals, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So this is very basic. The front view of the flower. The front view of the flower. This is the first thing you have to do the front. Okay. No need to erase all the extra lines. Not now. I will tell you when you have to erase. Second thing, now by using the same circle, we can move our flower everywhere. Every individual, like east, west, north, south, back, front, top, any angle we can draw. So remember, the basic shape will not going to change. Only the position of the center circle will change, and it will make different angle. So like if I make the center circle here, and look, so my first petal will be bigger and this one will be smaller. This one will look like this and this one will look like this. Then the another one here, then another one here, like this and like this. So you guys can see that the position, the face of the flower automatically change to this direction. So from then, once again, if I do the inner circle here, same thing will happen on the opposite side. Okay, so the same flower but different angle. So if I want to make it down, if I want to make the face down, same thing. Just one thing I'm going to say: do not use eraser. It will not going to help your kid. It will not going to help you. It will not going to help your son or daughter. It will just misguide you, everyone. So like this. Okay. Now if I want to make it the upper position here, like this. You can create different angle by using same circle, same size circle. You can turn a flower very easily. So it was a very basic technique to use circle. One of the very important shape circle. So you guys can practice by using circle. Only a circle can help you to move the object from right to left, top to bottom, any angle you can create. So this is the way you can practice. So this is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5. So just do practice. If there is any inquiry, this is anything you want to know regarding this type of drawing without eraser, free flow drawing, you can SMS me, you can make your comment in the comment box. I will get back to you. So please watch the full video and do subscribe the channel, and please press the bell icon. So whenever I am going to upload any video, you will get a notification. Thank you so much. Happy painting. Do practice and post in my message box. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.